What is 525 over 6,300 in lowest terms? So to reduce to lowest terms, we just need to divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. So 525 and 6,300, they are both divisible by 25. Okay, so let's divide both by 25. So we have 525 divided by 25 over 6,300 divided by 25. So let's just divide manually. So we have 525 divided by 25. So we have 52 divided by 25. We have 2. 2 times 25, that is equal to 50. Subtract. So we have 2. Bring down 5. 25 divided by 25 is 1. So 1 times 25, we have remainder of 0. But in our choices, there is no 21 in the numerator for the choices. So that means 25 is not the GCF. So we will repeat the process. Okay? So we have 21 over, let's divide 6,300. 6,300 by 25. So we have 63 divided by 25. We have 2 times 25. We have 50. Subtract. We have 13. Bring down 0. So divide by 25. We have 5 times 25. That is 125. Subtract again. So we have 5. Bring down 0. 50 divided by 25. That is equal to 2. 2 times 25 is 50. So we have 21 over 252. So we can divide it again by 3 or maybe by 21. So let's divide by 21. So divide both by 21 because in our choices, most of the numerators are 1. So that means we can divide both of this number by 21. Okay? So 21 divided by 21, that's obviously 1. And then we have 252 divided by 21. We have 25 divided by 21. We have 1 times 21. Subtract, we have 4. Bring down 2. So we have 42 divided by 21 is equal to 2. 2 times 21, we have 42. So no remainder. The answer is 1 over 12, letter C. Follow for more.